bhukti, mukti. To want to see Krishna itself is like a desire for liberation. 5 types of liberation are there. The Vaishnava, the devotee, he never wants merging. That's a spiritual suicide. Only the most less intelligent of transcendentalists they want this type of merging. For the spiritualist, personalist, devotee, the Vaishnava, this type of desire for material liberation, or for liberation from material energy, is complete death. But even for them, for the pure devotee to desire the other 4 types of liberation is considered a type of disease. Like a spiritual disease as compared to material disease. It's very subtle. It takes away the most finest essence of pure devotional spirit. It takes away the finer, higher taste of spontaneous devotional service, which gives relishment for pure love of Krishna, which is the summum bonum of spiritual realization.